and welcome back to another episode of your favourite camper van cook show, Motorhome Mouthfuls. And today we've got an absolute whopper of an episode for you guys today. And I'll tell you why, because we've got an absolute Moroccan masterclass. Because we have been lucky enough to have been invited into a local's house today, and they're going to teach us how to cook a proper couscous with love, guys. So I'm very excited for today's episode. Let's crack on. Morning. So just to give you guys some context as to what happened last night. So I went and met a local family with my friend Paul, who's been traveling to Morocco for years and years now. The family took me in. They were so kind, so welcoming, warm. They fed me, they gave me tea. We had some really good interaction through Google Translate. And yeah, they have invited me round today to go and learn how to make a traditional couscous. And it's not what you think. It's not just a case of getting a little packet, giving it a whap, pouring it in a bowl and boiling a kettle. It's a 4-hour thing. Guys, this is we're in it for the long run. So this morning we're heading, I'm being taken into town to the market to go and get a couscous pot and some ingredients for today's session. So I'm really looking forward to it. Instead of going to like a proper cooking lesson, I'm having like a more authentic experience, which is quite frankly bloody exciting, and I'm taking you guys with me. So we've just met with Akia and Salah, and we're gonna go into the market and get some ingredients and a couscous pot, and we're gonna find out all of the good spots. So we've got some chickpeas and some couscous, and now we're getting a onion, and Salah is helping me, aren't you, mate? So this is the legend that is Paul, the guy that we told you about in the last episode. We've found him again, and we're not letting him go this time. So we've just found a couscous pot. We're just gonna go and get some more produce, and then I think we need a dish to mix it all in.
Yeah, like a clay dish. Yeah.
A clay dish to mix it all in when the couscous is done. And Akia is doing all of our negotiating right now, so complete trust in Akia. This is Ashraf, the son. It's good to see you, brother.
Salam les amis.
This is Mustafa.
You too.
The dad is an awesome guy. He took me in yesterday, fed me, he gave me tea. Legend, thank you. We've got some aubergine, some carrots, some courgette, some tomatoes, some coriander, parsnips I think these are. I don't know what these are, I think they're parsnips. They look a little bit like parsnips. Couscous, some pumpkin looking thing, some chickpeas. So just prepping the chicken at the minute. So we've cut the fat off the chicken, and it's gone into the base of the couscous pot. Half the chicken in there, lads. Don't worry about measuring, it's all about portions. Apparently the red couscous is the best stuff you can get, so that's what we've got. They're not parsnips, they're turnips. Looking thing, pumpkin.
Pumpkin, that's pumpkin.
Is it pumpkin?
That's pumpkin, yeah. A little bit of oil.
We just put some oil in.
Wait.
We've just put the oil in. Come in.
هلا تبين.
This is Sahara.
Hi,
She looks amazing in her outfit.
thank you.
She's done this especially for us. Traditional outfit, she looks awesome. So she's helping us translate with Google Translate. She's doing well. Doing better than me. I'm going to give that a good old stir. That's the chicken, the onion, some oil, some black pepper, paprika and some ginger. The lid goes on. So we're now kneading the couscous.
I thought it was. I'm just saying that.
It'll be right.
نفرت.
I've been called in, lads.
Peel, you got
Peel it, okay,
peel,
okay,
you got
okay.
to peel the skin off.
Oh
Yeah,
I'll take off the tomato off.
peel the skin off.
I feel like I'm taking off too much here though. I've never in my life peeled a tomato, have you?
No.
The chicken's come out of the boil, gone in the top pan, and we're now chucking the chopped up vegetables in the bottom pan. And now the chicken's gone back in on top of the vegetables. I've absolutely decimated the tomatoes. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. I have noticed that a whopping 90% of our viewers are not subscribed. What? So why don't you head over to there and hit that subscribe button.
أود صورة ما ينغينا
We're gutting it.
Take the seed out. Yeah.
الله
I'm still like trying to get my head around peeling a tomato. That's really hard. It was a lot harder than it looks.
Oh, joke.
So we've diced the tomato, we've cut up the pumpkin and gutted it. We've got the aubergine chopped up and the courgette chopped up. Courgette's been semi-peeled.
Ah, right.
Semi-peeled, it's not like all peeled.
Like a melon.
Yeah. Now we've got some coriander on the buzz. The couscous is like really swollen now. It's like the full plate. It's got some coriander. We've taken the vines off it, tied it up with the elastic, and that's going in.
أهلا مزاكنين لاباس دارون يسفجيجم شو بخير
Oil, of course, in black.
Yeah, looks like.
Can't be all.
دريت كتير دريت كتير عاوي
Sorry. We've taken the top load of couscous out and put it in this plate, and then Aki is getting the pumpkin out of this one now and putting it in that one. Coriander's gone in, tomatoes and the chilies have gone in. Sensation.
شو هاد سكت جرب زيد يلا بسم الله شوف
I keep chucking it everywhere.
واخا تذكر في هذا
It's hot.
Yeah, it will be steamed, isn't it?
يلا الحمد لله.
Good? No?
Yeah. Zeer.
It's like that.
Zeer.
It's hard because I'm spilling it all over the place.
ماشي مشكل ماشي مشكل.
Don't worry, don't worry. It's not a problem.
خلاص شي حاجة.
So add in a little bit more, yeah?
باش نشاركو الخليط وكل شيء.
Thank you, Shukran.
لا بس كان.
Process that you
How can you make it look so easy?
You make it look so easy. So it's not just that you don't do that for long then.
No.
It's alright.
So she had that out and needed it again.
No, she's just swapped them over, yeah.
Are you?
Yeah. Olive for toast.
بسم الله.
Original. You get that?
هاتي ناويين. هاتي ناويين صغنا الظهيرة.
Freshly ground natural almond, and my goodness me, it is the sweetest thing.
مازال عيد.
It's not the sweetest thing, it's the sweetest nuts I've ever tasted. Very nice.
مازال.
There's no like butter.
Cholesterol. Now olive oil.
Olive oil.
That's what gives it the taste. To cook it. And the olive to flavour it. See, maybe when we cut it normally, it's just sunflower or something.
البيض بيض. ياك.
Very good, very good.
ولا تفغاوز.
If we're gonna have a ceremony wedding. Oh, brilliant. Thank you. Thank you. I love this. Yeah. So
أشو التليفون.
Mix it in. Okay. So this here, guys, is natural butter from cow milk, and we've added probably a grape size into the couscous. Now it's been on 3 times, and that's how you do it.
Shouldn't taste salty.
Oh, the one we had the other day was sour. Moroccan time or what the die?
أكيد شكرا.
والشكر على واجب.
And there you have it, guys, something a little bit different this week, and my goodness me, was that couscous delicioso. So if you've enjoyed this video, hit the like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and remember guys, real men wash their own pots.